In this video, learn about a way that you can improve your sales prospecting results within 1 week. I recently read an article that was put out by HubSpot. They surveyed 500 sales professionals to find out what do their sales leaders do to coach them that helps them to improve their results. As I read through the article, there was something that struck me that you could use to improve your sales prospecting results. And it was the idea that you can have someone else read your emails that you send to prospects or listen to your calls that you make to prospects. Now, if you work inside an organization, they may have software that can record your calls. I have listened to recordings of salespeople that I've coached over the years and given them feedback about their calls so that we could improve the call quality. I know that not all organizations have that, and you might also be a solopreneur and not able to do something like that. I understand. So in a case like that, you can't use the call recordings, but you probably send a lot of email out. And even if you don't have a manager, you might have somebody that you trust that you could share emails with and say, what do you think about these emails and how I've written them to try to connect with a prospect, follow up with them, convince them that I'm offering the best solution, that sort of thing. If you work for a manager, even better. Ask your manager to listen in on recordings, even listen in on calls, or read emails that you've sent and provide you with feedback. Because oftentimes, there's another idea in the article that's done, and that's weekly check-ins with the manager. Many managers check in with their reps, and that's effective. That's a good technique. But not all managers think about reading the emails that are sent out, and they will immediately have ideas for you on how to improve what you've written, how to write messages that are more in alignment with the company's sales strategy and overall sales messaging. They'll catch if you've made a mistake in communicating a benefit or an offer so that you don't get yourself in trouble with the prospective client by having sent out wrong information. They'll let you know if maybe you should include something that would make it even more compelling, more attractive, more convincing. So there are many ways that someone else reading your email, especially your manager, but if not, then a fellow salesperson that you trust and believe is a really effective salesperson, or even a trusted colleague, to review what you've written and what you've said. This is a technique that you can apply right away and improve your results. And here's an offer that I'm willing to make. If you've been following this channel, you know that I've recently released an online sales course for the first time after nearly 2 years of effort. If you purchase this course at the bronze or silver level, then I will agree to review a few of your emails and provide you my own one-on-one feedback on how you can improve your emails. And when I say a few, I mean 2 or 3, right? I can't spend time looking at dozens of emails, but I can look at a few that you think are important to get feedback on. But this is just for people who purchase the course, right? It's not for anyone who's just watched this video. So you need to purchase the course at the bronze or silver level, and then I'd be happy to review some emails for you as you're going through the course. Also, I hope you'll consider the course because it has so many other ideas within it on how you can improve your mindset, your approach, and your process to your sales career to get better results. So please seriously consider the course if you'd like to invest in your own growth through the end of this year and going into 2023. Lastly, if these ideas have helped you in this video, please like the video, comment on it, and share it with others. And of course, subscribe to the channel so that you'll be notified when new videos come out. Thank you very much and best wishes to you.